Hey, this is Kevin Bees, director of basicbananas.com, and I just wanted to share with you a quick example of a tool that you can use or set up for your business. Now, one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing is that when people use an AI to create their content, guess what? They end up sounding like everyone else on the internet. Now, that's a problem for marketing because the point of marketing is you want to be authentic and yourself and stand out, and be different because of who you are. And if everyone's using an AI to write their content, everyone's going to sound the same and they're not going to stand out. Now, one of the things I wanted to share with you very quickly is a tool that we've created and we use ourselves as Basic Bananas. Is when we do write things, we use our ideas and we ideate and we get to ChatGPT or any other large language models to write content with us, then we want to make sure it sounds like our own voice. So as an example, I've just given ChatGPT some guidance to help write an article on what to do when these tools hallucinate, when they give false answers. Okay, and we've got some steps and some things that we can do to help improve that. Now, we've created the article together, we've ideated and we come up with the article, and it gives like the step by step. Here are the steps that you can take to avoid it hallucinating and get better quality output. Okay, and that's it, that's the article. I read it, it's pretty decent, but it looks and sounds like it's an AI. Now, what I have over here is a tool that we created called Basic Bananas Brand Voice. And if I click into this is a custom GPT. We've created this ourselves and we can show you how to create your own. Okay, now in Basic Bananas Voice, what I can do, all I need to do is paste in the article, paste in the thing that I've written here. Now this is great because even if I write this in my voice or the team members write it or Francisco or Krista write it, we all have a different style that we write in. So when we paste it in here, this puts it through the filter of what does Basic Bananas sound like. We've got a very specific way that we like to sound. We're fun, we're playful. I may be personally a little bit more serious and follow the step by step. That's not quite the way we sound as a company. So I can paste this article in here and it's already got instructions behind it, already knows what to do. So as soon as I submit the article that I've written with the help of ChatGPT, what it's going to do is going to think about it and says, hey, look, this is solid gold. You've laid out a tricky issue and let's make this sound more like Basic Bananas. And you can see what it's done straight away is began to make it sound a little bit more like us. Okay, it comes up with some cheeky and fun metaphors. We actually use emojis in our stuff, so it does that, and it's turned it into something that sounds way more in alignment with who we are and what we're about. And now, with that in mind, if the whole team use this and it sounds like Basic Bananas, then great. We've just eliminated one of the challenges with using AI. Now, of course, with any of these tools, we like to use the 10-80-10 principle, right? So 10% of our time is in prompting and submitting stuff to the model. The model's going to do 80% of the work, and then the final 10%, we're going to quality control this. We're going to go through and check it makes sense and tweak it even further to make it sound more on brand for us. Now, if that's interesting to you, you want to make tools to make sure your business sounds on brand and doesn't sound like every other person out there, then come and join us at one of the next sessions, because we have a specific tool we can take you through. And when you use this tool, the Brand Voice Builder, okay, you can follow it through step by step, and we'll show you how to do this in our next call. We'll show you step by step how you can use this to identify what is your own brand voice and create your own model so you can do this. So hey, we'd love to see you on the next call, and we'll talk you through step by step how you can set that up for yourselves. Catch you soon.